Hello and welcome back to another video. So today you've joined me at a location called Poulshot. They hold like a little gathering here every year on this patch of grass you can see behind me. Over there you can see there is cars building up. Now there is a complete mix of stuff that arrives. You've got anything from a tractor, modified cars, classic cars, vintage stuff I don't even know what things are. But it is worth having a little look around and capturing some of the stuff that does arrive here. So what I'm going to do is wait for a few more things to arrive. We're going to take a little look around and I'm going to show you exactly what is here today. Ford Mustang, very nice. VW Golf, bit of JDM. The Integra Type R. So I'm just heading over to a shaded area because this sun is absolutely scorching hot. And what I can do is capture some of the cars and bikes coming from one direction to where the green area is that I've shown you at the beginning of the video. I can't capture everything because there's still cars and bikes coming from the other exit which I can't cover, but either way, let's just see what comes in and then we'll take a little walk around. Vintage truck. Peugeot 205, nice. Very nice white Porsche GT3. Mitsubishi Evo. Next up, a Mark 1 Mazda MX-5 in the British Racing Green. Nice. MG. AC Cobra. Ford Capri. More classic stuff. Volkswagen Golf GTI. Caterham 7. It's American now. Nice. I've got a very nice Audi Quattro in red. It is a very old Vauxhall Cavalier, bloody hell. I think that's a Jaguar E-Type. Beautiful. Another Jag. A couple of motorcycle riders. Tara. Gorgeous TVR. Oh, here's 370Z. Oh, love the sound of that. I think I could be wrong, an Austin Healey. Right. Now we've got some VW Beetles. Another Caterham 7. Yes, the Vauxhall Nova. Another white Ford Mustang, followed by a Jag, MX-5 Mark III I think, Dodge pickup, one of the Jeeps, very nice Corvette, and my mate Sam in his Toyota Corolla A86, absolutely mint. I'm going to put some stuff on the screen now for you to follow him if you want to see any more of that. The Indian, Ford Focus RS. CBR. So you get the idea, there's a complete mix of cars and bikes, and now let's go and take a little look at these more up close. Where the hell do I start? Let's start here with the Army tank and the Land Rover.
That's what we like. We're all the way to our seats now.
Not as good as RX-7.
It's very small. But if they do, then that's fine. That's fine. You know you are. Robert can't say the name.
Will that make that big space for stack?
Need beer, it'll only burn.
Just in case it catches fire. Shut him up till you're even moving.
Plenty of time.
Ollie, picture next to the yellow Corvette. Hello.
My mate is down the line.
Anything I want to
Hello, Matt. Who's that? Yeah, there was. No. Sure. I'll stand in the queue. He looks nice.
Win? Yeah. V20.
Now behind me there is absolutely loads of motorcycles, so I'm just going to do a complete walkthrough and you can see what's actually here.
The frame was in.
Right, back to the cars. Very clean red Ford Escort Mark II, VW Beetle, blue AC Cobra, Harley Davidson just rolling up. Ha! Gay! Oh, here's a classic, Renault Clio V6. Don't see many of these days. Beautiful condition. Mark II MX-5. And a ridiculous clean Ford Escort RS2000 in black. Take a look at this. Back to the old school Vauxhalls. Over here, my good friend Sam with his Toyota Corolla E86, immaculate condition. Check out his Instagram, which is on his window. Over here. Gorgeous Mark I Escort, Mexico. Such a leery colour. Very, very, very nice. I like this a lot. Next to the Mexico, the Opel Manta SR. Down this way, MG. Morris Minor. Morgan, American Pontiac, TVR, Austin Healey, Ford Mustang, VW Beetle. Seen this last year, the GT350. This thing's insane.
Good choices.
Jensen Healey, Triumph TR4, Chrysler WRX. Probably one of the cleanest Ford Escort Mark IIs you'll ever see. In a very unusual colour, but I really do like this. Now over here, a complete wild Dodge pickup of some sort. Take a look at this, it's insane. I bet this thing is so fun to drive. Madness. Another Mark II Escort, Westfield, and the Triumph TR6 on the end just there. Over here, 370Z. Escort XR3. And the next 3 cars along is a good friend of mine, BMW wagon over here. And there's 2 Cavaliers. Absolute mint condition. Looking good. Another 2 Triumphs. Jaguar E-Type. Very cool RS Megane. Do like these. Tucked away behind that Very mint condition Lancia Delta.
Not now they get those inserts, don't they?
That is so clean. I don't know my American cars, but this looks a bit crazy. Very, very nice colour choice. I guess it's resprayed, but take a look inside. So cool, full of character. Bring around to the front. Oh, it's a Buick, there you go. Another VW Beetle. Golf GLS. Honda Civic. Another beauty over here, the Escort RS 2000. Another Ford Escort. And then a bit more of me, JDM now, Nissan Skyline R33. And over here, there's the Renault Clio that we've seen pull up the V6. Over here, the Mark 1 VWs. Civic Type R. Another Megane Sport. Perfect car for the track. Porsche 924S. Now, I've never seen one of these before, but take a look at this. Completely track focused, of course. Completely stripped out inside. And I'll bring around to the front, but what a cool car. I don't think I've ever seen anything like that before. So it's 8:15 now, and I'm pretty sure I've captured everything that I can, so I apologise if I didn't, but it was just to give you guys a bit of an insight of what's actually here. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next video very soon. Peace out.